Here's your no-nonsense car service checklist you can actually use today. Oil and filter. I check my dipstick monthly. I change oil and filter on schedule, usually 5K, 7.5K miles for synthetic, or what my manual says, fresh oil, Rio happy engine. Engine air filter every 12K, 15K miles or when dirty. Cabin filter yearly. Keeps the AC breathing and your air clean. Fluids. Top off windshield washer anytime coolant. Inspect level and color. Brake fluid. Inspect level and color. Brake fluid often every 2 to 3 years. If anything looks murky, I plan a flush. Tires. Check pressure monthly and before trips, rotate every 5K, 7K miles. Measure tread. Aim for 4 to 32 or better. Look for uneven wear that screams alignment. Don't forget the spare. Brakes. I listen for squeals, feel for vibration, peek at pad thickness. Spongy pedal, time to bleed or inspect. Battery, test voltage. Clean terminals, check manufacture date. Over 4 years old, watch cranking strength. Belts and hoses, look for cracks, glazing soft spots, leaks. Replace before they strand you. Wipers and lights, swap wipers yearly. Check headlights, check brake lights. Check turn signals, check reverse lights, see and be seen. Alignment and suspension. If the car pulls or the steering wheel sits crooked. Book an alignment, inspect ball joints. Inspect tie rods, inspect shocks. Spark plugs and ignition, follow the interval. Often 60K, 100K miles for iridium misfires or rough idle. Don't wait. Transmission and driveline. If the manual allows, service transmission fluid around 60K, 90K miles AWD RWD. Check differential and transfer case intervals. Timing belt, wire hard deadline, often 60K, 100K miles or years. Timing chain, listen for rattle and follow maintenance. Emissions and air, inspect PCV valves, look for vacuum leaks and scan for codes with a cheap OBD2 reader before issues get expensive. Final step, reset the service reminder, log the date and miles, and set the next reminder in my phone. Screenshot this, save it, and service with confidence. Your car and your wallet will thank you.